Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 2 DIY projects from the thrift store. I hope you enjoy. Now, I've been on the hunt for a few months, guys, for my own door that I want to decorate inside my home. I found this one at my local thrift store and it was just $10, and with the help of my hubby, I'm going to give it a blush pink touch.
It's been like that from the start.
Now, I got this door for just $10. I knew it would be perfect for what I had in mind. Now, off camera, we give it a very good clean down, and hubby went in with this beautiful blush pink. Now, this pink, guys, is actually a colour match from a piece of decor that I had, but I will leave the formula for you down below. It is absolutely stunning. Now, hubby went in and give it 2 coats off camera, but what we did is we didn't coat it completely. I wanted to give it that shabby chic look. Now, my mind went into overdrive on how I was going to decorate this. So first of all, I decided that I was going to start from the very top. I wanted to put something at the top of the barn door. Now, I follow a lovely lady over on Instagram, and she had a decorative piece that I already had, and I thought to myself, I could use this on my barn door also. So I took this beautiful piece of metal decor. Now guys, I picked this up probably about 5 years ago. It was only about 2 or 3 months ago I remembered I still had it. Do you have a piece of decor that you think that you may have got rid of, like when you moved house, or you've stored it away and forgotten about it? This was that piece of decor, and I decided that I would just nail it to the top of the door.
Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come
Now, I also wanted to add something to the very middle of the door, so here I'm adding 1 nail.
something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
I was already loving what I was seeing, guys. I'm so excited to have a blush pink barn door. Now, to add to the front where that nail was, I shopped my own home, and guess what I put there? Do you remember my beautiful angel wings, which are from Early Settler? I decided to hang them from that nail.
Everything can break, it's a risk you take. I went out on a limb, but I fell down. It was my mistake, thought that you would wait. You should know that it hurt me to leave town. I heard
Now guys, I was so excited with what I was seeing, but I wanted to add Chelle's glam touch. So I had some of these drawer pulls that I decided to just use one and use that on the door.
just to numb my mind. It should have been me. I hope you can see. I wish I was there with you tonight, but I should have gone a long time ago. But I just keep going back in time.
Now my next item I picked up for just $2. I got this large frame, guys, and I knew I could add a blush pink touch. I had this idea in mind that I wanted to make a photo frame like a photo booth. Now my daughter's 21st is coming up and I thought this would make a great addition and a great backdrop for her party. So my plan is to use it there, but I'm also going to be showing you how I'm going to use it out in my garden as well. And that's coming up in a future video. So I gave it 2 coats of that really pretty blush pink. Now this is a really inexpensive project that anyone can do. What I did here is I just shopped my own home for some fake flowers. Now these are just from local dollar stores and from Kmart, really inexpensive. And what I do when I'm doing a DIY with flowers, I play around with the design first of all before gluing it down.
You off my mind. I hope you can see. I wish I was there with you tonight. But I should have come a long time ago. But I just keep going back in time. Now that it's all too late, I shouldn't have run away. It should have been me. I hope you can see. I wish I was there with you tonight.
Now once you have the design in mind, you're then going to hot glue everything down. Now we're going to start on opposite ends. So I'm going to start in this corner first of all, and then going to add the flowers in the opposite corner.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. It's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
Guys, I always love to share ideas with you on how you can decorate on a budget. These are simple, inexpensive projects that anyone could do, and I love sharing these ideas with you so you can create them for your homes as well.
I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
Now guys, you can personalise this to the colour of your choice. This would make such an exciting photo backdrop. Now, you could use a different colour in paint, in your flowers. You could personalise it with the person's name that is having the birthday. And it can be hung in both ways. Just shop those thrift stores, guys. You'd be amazed at how many frames get donated. Now, some are broken, some don't have the glass, just like this one, but they are perfect for these types of DIYs.
If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to be this way, this way. Trying to keep up my eyes. I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you. I do miss you.
Guys, I was so excited to bring these inexpensive projects to you, but my heart is so in love with this pink barn door. All I've ever wanted was to put a door in my home that I could decorate, and I just love how this came. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and room tours of my home. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
I wish that I never met you. It's so hard, so damn hard to forget you. And no words could explain how I miss you. Girl, I do. I'm trying to keep up my eyes. I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you. I'm trying to keep up my eyes.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way when it comes to taking thrift store items and giving them a blush pink makeover. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.